Welcome to the Graduate365 video on the first-time freshman cohorts detail report. This report allows me to compare specific cohorts of first-time freshmen on different variables. Let's look at how to find information for a specific population. In this example, I want to look at first-time freshmen in the fall 2019 cohort who did and did not participate in freshman programs. Let's start by clicking on Cohort Description. I need to place a check mark next to each cohort that I want included on my report, so I'll click F819 to add the Fall 2019 cohort to the report in addition to the Fall 2016, 2017, and 2018 cohorts. Now I'll click on View Numbers By to select the variable that I want to use. I'm going to select Freshman Prog Participation to view cohorts by whether the students participated in freshman programs. The report will update with my selections automatically. Let's scroll down to look at the chart in more detail. The chart is showing first-time freshmen who are a part of the Fall 2016 through Fall 2019 cohorts based on whether they participated in freshman programs. I can see two rows for Fall 2019. No means the students did not participate in freshman programs, and yes means the students did participate in freshman programs. Let's hover over portions of the yes row to see more details. The green section of the row indicates that 43% of the Fall 2019 cohort who participated in freshman programs have graduated from the university. The blue section of the row indicates that 28.2% of the cohort who participated in freshman programs is enrolled and not graduated. The red section of the row indicates that 28.8% of the cohort who participated in freshman programs is not graduated and not enrolled. I want to investigate these students more, so let's scroll down to the table to view more details. Now I can see that for the Fall 2019 cohort, there are about 3 times as many students who didn't participate in freshman programs as those that did. I'm still interested to know more about the students who participated in freshman programs but are not graduated or enrolled, so I can click on the 316 to drill down to the student record level data. I'll choose Not Graduated, Not Enrolled Count as the data I want to view. The student level data will open in a new tab or window, and I can scroll through the student's contact and academic details. Let's click on Units Earned to sort by that column. I'll choose to sort descending, so I see the students with the most units earned at the top. Here I can see that there are several students who have earned 120 units or more that are not enrolled in future terms. It's possible that these students have completed all of the necessary requirements to graduate, but were unaware that they needed to apply for graduation in order for their degree to be conferred. Or there may be students who only have a few requirements left to get their degree. I want to download this list of students so I can do more research and then contact them to find out what barriers they may have to completing their degree. I'll click on the Menu Options button to download the results. Then I'll choose Export to Excel, although I can also export to CSV if I want to use Excel but have more flexibility with the formatting. The file will then be available in my Downloads folder within a few minutes. Thank you for viewing this video. To learn more about Graduate365, you can view links to additional resources in the notes for this video.